You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say 2024, as in the year or the date, in Spanish? 2024. Alright, so let's break it down. 2000 being 2000, dos is 2, mil is 1000, 2000. 20, 24. 20 is 20, 4 is 4. 2024 is how to say 2024 in Spanish. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.